Dear students, now we shall do grammar portion of the chapter The Little Prince. Jump on to the B part, that is on page 30. Tick the sentences that show subject-verb agreement. The first sentence is, the grown-ups have always discouraged me in my painter's career. Here the grown-ups means adults, people who have grown up, who are not children. So here the grown-ups is subject and it must agree with the verb. Grown-ups have always discouraged me in painter's career. So it is in perfect agreement. Tick mark the sentence. Second sentence. Elephants is very cumbersome. Cumbersome means very heavy, which finds it very difficult to walk because of its weight. Here, elephants, it's plural form of the noun. So, elephants is does not agree with elephants. Elephants are very cumbersome. So, cross the sentence. It is not in agreement. Third, this particular sheep are already very sickly. Dear students, sheep is always used in plural form, mind it. But here, this particular sheep, word this has been used here to annotate one particular sheep. So, here we are talking about only one sheep. So, are already very sickly, it is wrong. Sheep are, they do not agree with each other. So, it is wrong. Fourth, my friend smiles gently and indulgently. Dear students, indulgently means very gentle. They are more or less synonyms. Who is full of mercy and very decent, soft in behavior. My friend smiles. So, friend is a singular person and smiles is singular form of smile. So, they agree with each other. Hence, the sentence is absolutely correct. Fifth sentence. He bends his head over the drawing. He bends. He is singular and bends again is singular form of the verb. So they agree with each other. Subject and verb agreement is seen over here. It is correct sentence. The last one. I draws several sheep for the little prince. I is considered as plural, but draws is singular form of the verb. So subject and verb, they do not agree with each other. Hence the sentence is wrong. It should be I draw several sheep for the little prince. So dear students, only first, fourth and fifth, these three sentences are correct. Students, flip the next page and jump on page number 32. Here you will find the question, complete the spellings of these words using AR, ER or OR. Let's start. The very first word is foreigner. F-O-R-E-I-G-N-E-R. Foreigner means those who are living outside India, those who belong to foreign countries. The second is nectar. N-E-C-T-O-R. Nectar. It is the juice of flowers. Third is decorator. D-E-C-O-R-A-T-O-R. Decorator. One who decorates is called a decorator. Fourth is vinegar. V-I-N-E-G-A-R. Vinegar. The fifth is escalator. E-S-C-A-L-A-T-O-R. Escalator, that takes you up. For example, the stairs, those who are moving in upward or downward direction. Escalator. The sixth is skyscraper. 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 Skyscraper is a very tall building having number of floors.